Here's a detailed tutorial on setting the RENOGY inverter mode for lithium battery in Black Series RVs. The RENOGY inverter used in Black Series RVs is designed to be compatible with 3 types of batteries: lithium batteries, lead-acid batteries, and gel batteries. It is crucial to set the inverter to the correct battery mode to prevent any damage to the batteries. If your RV is equipped with a RENOGY inverter and a lithium battery, observe the display screen. If there is no lithium battery mode logo lie, please follow these steps to set the inverter mode. 1. Enter mode settings. Press and hold the Enter key to switch the display screen to the mode settings with secondary options. 2. Access primary mode 05. Continuously press the Up key until 05 appears in the primary mode. Press the Enter key. 3. Select secondary mode BL. The secondary mode key behind 05 will start flashing. Continuously press the Up key until the secondary mode BL lithium battery mode appears. Press the Enter key. 4. Confirm settings. Press the Return key. Observe the inverter display screen to ensure the lithium battery mode logo lie is displayed, indicating that the setting is complete. By following these steps, you can correctly set the RENOGY inverter to match the lithium battery being used, ensuring optimal performance and preventing potential damage to the battery.